Hey, so let's talk about China a little bit. Obviously, country was, affected by COVID. That hurts air travel. Is it coming back? What's happening? It's a huge consumer of aircraft and parts. What's happening in the region?
Yes, there's still travel, but it's not as to the level that we saw normally pre-COVID times. So this has been obviously a big shock to the airlines, Chinese airlines. This is actually what's happening every single major holiday, October 1 holidays, et cetera, et cetera. So they're not actually getting the benefit of high pricing, high demand, and high pass-throughs. So they're missing out on the best windows of making money. So this is not a great sign. But overall, there's other things that are benefiting cargo, et cetera.
Are you optimistic about where it's going? I mean, ultimately, is the country going to start to open up more gradually this year, or do you see it? Do you see it? No. Yes.
I don't see opening up until at earliest and like later this year. I don't see it. I don't see it. I'm not so optimistic in terms of opening up. But at the end of the day, I think where the airlines sit, though, I don't think they'll get worse from that perspective.
Right.
I think there's only a lot more upside. There's not too much more downside from that perspective.
There's only one way to go when you're rock bottom. There's only one way to go, right? That's it's up, and you just hope it comes quick.